Good morning to, let's see, what day is today? Day 8 of the countdown. So today, Joe and I are going to go out this morning and do a little Christmas shopping. I pretty much have like most of my shopping done. I have like 3 more presents to buy and then just like stocking stuffers. So I'm going to go out today and pick up those 3 presents and a few stocking stuffers. Then I'm going to get all the stuff I have done. I mean, everything that I've already purchased wrapped, because I am a little leery of what I have. So before I buy anything more, I want to see what I have, and then I can go out in the next few days leading up to Christmas and round off my list if I need to, which I probably will need to do, but I'm not sure. That and today and tomorrow, our big focus is going to be baking. So today, the one thing I want to get done for sure is my bundt cake for Christmas Eve and the Chex Mix. So that takes a long time. Another thing we're going to have to make, which we'll probably wait for tomorrow, is sugar cookies and peanut butter balls. Those are the 2 major things that I need to do for... Those are the other 2 time-consuming ones. So that is the plan for the next couple days, to do a little baking, a little shopping, and hopefully we can knock out a whole bunch of stuff off of our list, which would be really super duper off. So I feel like I'm starting to get just a little bit stressed that I'm not going to get everything done on time. But you know what? I've got like 5-6 days before Christmas, right? So I got some time. I got plenty of time. I think I'm probably sitting better than I think I am. But anyways, so let's see what else is going on today. I may go over to my sister's later tonight and watch that volleyball game. We didn't get to it yesterday. But I'm not sure. And I didn't have a chance to finish my Holiday Inn movie either. So I might do that as I'm like working in the kitchen today. I'm not sure. So, yeah. That's what we're going to do next. I think where we're going to go first is Hobby Lobby. And then if we don't find what I'm looking for in Hobby Lobby, then I need to go back to JCPenney's. Okay. For Uncle Jake. Yeah.
How long until we go?
It's 10 minutes. Okay. So, that is the plan. So we'll definitely be getting to Hobby Lobby today, and probably Target. Probably Target, Hobby Lobby, and JCPenney's once again. Those are like my go-to places to shop. It's so ridiculous. But oh well, that's alright. Alright, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will check in with you in a little bit. Bye. Hello there. So once again, it is evening already. So Joe and I had some really good luck at the stores. It was so busy today. We ended up only going to 2 places. We went to a Hobby Lobby. We were there for a long time. But we did pick up everything that we needed except for one gift, which we ran to, where was it? JCPenney's for that other gift. And then I ended up getting like 2 stocking stuffers at JCPenney's as well. So that was awesome. So then after that we got some lunch, brought it home, ate it, and then we went down for our naps. I woke up about 4 o'clock and then I paid some bills, and now I have my first batch of Chex Mix in the oven. So as that is cooking, as that has to get turned or flipped over, you know, like stirred every 15 minutes, I am going to wrap a few presents, get that started. Normally I wait until like the night before, but this year I'm so discombobulated, like I don't know what I have. So I need to do it a little earlier. Because I did a horrible job of writing down things when I first started shopping like a couple months ago. I would just throw it into the closet. So I don't even know what I have in there at this point. I mean, I have a general kind of idea, but so I'm gonna have to get most of my stuff wrapped to then determine if I need to do some more shopping or not. So that is not the way I normally do it. Normally I'm very organized about it, but not this year. For some reason I'm just super scatterbrained and just barely making it day to day at this point. But you know what? Every day has been fun and every day has been relaxing. So I get a little busy time and I get a little downtime, and it's really been the perfect mix for me. So that is really nice. So I'm enjoying the holiday season and I'm not feeling too stressed yet. I think maybe tomorrow I'll probably start feeling more stressed, because tomorrow I'm supposed to do a lot of baking, which I was supposed to start on today, but I really didn't. So tomorrow will be a busy day, but that's all right because I don't have anywhere to go tomorrow. So that's cool. So I'm going to get some presents wrapped, get 2 batches of Chex Mix made, and then I plan to go over to my sister's house and watch that volleyball game that we didn't watch last night. And we will most likely order some Carboni's pizza, our favorite, which we only ever get when it's just the 2 of us because our families do not like Carboni's pizza. So it's a special treat for us. So that is the plan for this evening. So yeah, it should be a relaxing, enjoyable evening. So I will check in with you later, or I will see you again tomorrow. We shall see. Bye. So I am on my way to my sister's. Got the pizzas in the back seat, and oh my goodness, they smell so good. Like a Carboni's pizza is like our little, like, dirty little secret. It's so awesome, and it's so bad for you. It is so oily. Oh my goodness, but it's so good. So I'm so excited. It smells amazing. So I'm gonna head over to my sister's now, and we're gonna watch the volleyball game. And this will probably be it for me tonight. So I will see you in the morning. Bye now. Hi everyone, it is day 9 and my best laid plans did not go well today. It's already like 6 o'clock at night and I am just picking up the camera for the first time today. I'm a terrible vlogger, but let me run you through what happened today. I woke up bright and early this morning at like 3 o'clock in the morning, wide awake, so I decided I was going to tackle the rest of my present decorating. Got that all taken care of, figured out what I still needed, and by that time it was about 5:30. So I'm like, all right, this is perfect. I will get myself ready, make up a list. I'll go to the grocery store first, get all the, the food items that I need to finish up my baking and anything that I need to make for Christmas. And then I'll go to Target, round out my list, get everything that I need for present-wise and stocking stuffer-wise, which is basically just a lot of stocking stuffers that I still needed. And then I'll get home, and it'll still be, like 9 o'clock in the morning, and I'll be just fine. And, I can go about my day, and I'll be so ahead of schedule. Well, that's what I did. So I went ahead and headed out. I went to the grocery store first. Joe actually was awake at that time, so it was about 6 o'clock. So we went to the grocery store, and then she's like, I don't really want to go to Target. So I dropped her off at home with the groceries to put away, and I went up to Target. So I was at Target for about an hour and a half by myself, got everything that I needed on my list, and then I was like, all right, this is perfect. I got home, And by the time I got home, I was exhausted. So I decided to go down for a nap. Well, woke up from my nap at like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and then realized that my eye was hurting really bad. And it was like swollen, kind of like, not really swollen shut, but it was really swollen. So I'm like, oh man, I'm going to get pink eye or something like that. So then I went hemmed and hawed about whether or not to go to the doctor. Because on Saturdays, there's an urgent care open. If I waited, then I would have to wait I'd have to wait 2 days to go to the doctor again, which is on Monday. So I'm like, all right, fine. I decided I'd just go ahead and go to the doctor, just in case that it was pink eye, so that I could get ahead of it. You know, so I wouldn't have like a nasty, crusty eye for Christmas. So my husband decided that he was going to go out. He needed to do some Christmas shopping for me. So he dropped me off at the doctor's office at like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And then he went and did some Christmas shopping for me and then picked me up. Well, it's not pink eye, thank goodness. It's a sty, which I've never in my life had a sty in my eye. My husband has had them quite a bit, so we know what to do about it. I got some medicine if I need it. I don't think I'm going to need it. I don't know. We'll see. But anyways, it'll just probably take care of itself, which is fine. Right now, it's not looking too bad. It's just looking a little bruised in here, a little swollen, but that's all right. So that is what happened yesterday. So then after that, after he picked me up, we needed to go to Costco to pick up the roast for Christmas. And so we did that, and then we finally got home. We had dinner at Costco. Oh, I had one of those. Have you ever been to Costco? They redid their menu in their little, food area or food court or whatever. They have a Akuberry, some sort of like sherbety ice cream thing with like blueberries, strawberries, and granola. I had one of those. Oh my goodness. That thing was absolutely delicious. I don't know if I'm saying it right. It's like A-U-C-I or something like that. I don't know. I don't know how to say it. But it was delicious, and I'm now getting one of those every single time I go to Costco. It was so yummy. So yeah, so now it's like almost 6 o'clock right now. So we got back from the store now, and they got my Christmas presents wrapped. I've got a couple hours, and then I'm going to go over to my sister's house because Wisconsin won their volleyball game, and now they are in the championship game against Stafford. And that is tonight. So I'm going to go to that. So I didn't get any baking done today, which is what I was supposed to do. So now I'm like a day behind, and I'm not really stressing about it. I've got tomorrow, and I've got Monday, and it'll be fine. It'll be fine. But I just feel bad that I didn't really, record anything for you guys exciting. So hopefully I will do a better job from the last few days here of my 12 days of Christmas countdown, because I've been slacking. I will be the first to admit. So anyways, it's just been one of those crazy days that life just kind of took over. And yeah, so that's where I'm sitting at this moment. But that's all right. I'm still getting things done. It's not real pretty. That makes sense. So that is day 9, I'm sorry. Day 9 for you guys. Sorry I didn't have much to share with you today, but I will try to do a better job, and I will see you again tomorrow for day 10. Bye now.